coming any petition, but we are keen to sorting out any conflict amicably. Even Boni Khalwale, we emanate from the same village with him. I'll be able to sip a cup of porridge with him in the evening, talk with him, get to know what he feels, because he's my political father. I respect him so much, and we'll be able to sort out our issues with Boni Baraza. It's called Didmas Khalwale, Boni Khalwale. Yes.
Thank you so much. As the SG has said, we have been here with the deputy party leader to see the preparedness of our elections that we intend to have in the 9th of December, and we want to assure each and every member and all Kenyans that we are going to have a verifiable, accountable election, that nobody that will not be having any wrangles as a party, and we do not have any wrangles as a party. So as SG has said, we'll be having the deputy party leader here every 2 weeks and the party leader here after every 1 month, to make sure that we are prepared as a party. And we want to tell our members that, the world has gone digital, and as a party we have also gone digital. We are going to use the digital platform to vote, which is a very easy system to use and which will be very verifiable to members, and we are able to get results 5 minutes after we have voted. For the issue of Boni Khalwale and Malala, we have not received the petition towards our able SG, and those are just baseless arguments that I think Honorable Boni Khalwale has. But once we receive them, we look at them, we will solve any issues that we have amicably. We are also intend to form the National Executive Board, NEB, that will be able to steer the elections that are forthcoming, and we're also going to have a committee that will listen to every issue that is going to come up from the different quarters or the different counties. So we are prepared, and we want to assure our members that the elections are going to be held on the 9th of December, mapema sana. Thank you so much.
We have a member of parliament here of Keses. Labda aseme kitu Mheshimiwa Ruto.
Okay, thank you so much. Mine on my part as a member of the party, I may not say much from the executive point of view, but rather I want to say on behalf of my colleagues, we really want to appreciate our party UDA. For the first time, we have a party that is young in terms of time, but it is advancing in terms of putting proper structures to ensure we have a formidable party that believes in democracy, believes in inclusivity, believes in public participation. The process that we are starting quite early on time to ensure we have a proper election so that members of the party from the ground feels the importance of participating and in decision-making process. We really want to appreciate them. Whatsoever, if you compare with the other parties that have been here for more than 10 years, I want to tell you this is one of the parties that Kenyans are going to look upon it. In fact, it is now triggering discussion even among the other parties. I've just seen yesterday that one of the parties are beginning to discuss on the issue of election board, meaning that this is the direction to go. And UDA now is a lead party in the Republic of Kenya, where we want to ensure that henceforth, as a country, Kenya, we are not going to form parties as a vehicle for election, because that has been what has been saying in the corridors. Parties form, election is done, is won, then after that one you kill the parties, and therefore you kill the agenda, you kill the ideologies, you mislead the Kenyans who had faith in the leadership and in the agenda that the party was standing on and had promised Kenyans. And again, this is going to bring out the aspect of monitoring and evaluation. So I want to say, as members of the party, we are happy in it. We only ask them that to ensure what they tell us should be there. Because remember, again, we stand on behalf of the other members that as they promise us free and fair election, that is where we are going to go. And as he's saying, conflict will be there. We are going to stand in case of an issue that is not going to be in order. We will stand our position because we are rightfully in that party. But at the moment, we are very happy in the way they are putting our issues. Probably my colleague, one of these fine days, as an accountant, I will be asking him now, please, can you demonstrate financial statements of the party? Because I'm a contributor or in my subscription. Those are the issues that we are looking forward. And we want to set a base in this Kenya and in Africa that it is possible to have a party that is going to believe in its ideologies and values and stick to it to the latter and ensure that it's going to build up a generation after generation. Like the first world countries, America, they have only 2 parties. The essence of having several parties has no place. You start a party today, you build it, you pump resources, tomorrow you destroy it just because of the issue of self-interest. We want to ensure that the structures are in place, that even if without them, the office will run. Thank you so much.
Kangush, say something.